Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you a very simple time zone trading strategy on NAS100 and US30. So this strategy works with time zone, and it's very simple. You don't need much trading skills to trade it. All you just need is your support and resistance, break and retest, and you are good. So the right time frame to use on NAS100 is actually the 3 hours time frame, and with this strategy you can be catching 500 pips each on each trade, minimum of at least from 300 to 500 pips on each trade that you enter. So use the 3 hours time frame and it works like this. Just go to your identify lows and highs that was created during New York session, and the secret times. I'm not going to disclose all of them, but the main one I'm going to tell you here, which is this high here was formed 8 a.m. New York time. Mark it out like this. So this is the first high, right? So come here. When was this high formed? This is 8 a.m. New York time, 8 a.m. Okay, this is 8 a.m. New York time at this point. Good. So we have our highs and lows being plotted. So if we had something like this, all we just need to wait for is for the next day to come, and we get to what? Once we get any rejection on our zone, we get to sell. If we get a break and we get a retest, we get to buy. That's the way it works. And it works with time, and days, right? And I'm just going to tell you only the time, and because only the time alone can help you. So let's take a look at this one first. Let's take a look at this. All right, this was during New York session. By 8 a.m. this high was formed. The next day, what happened here? 8 a.m. this market came to this zone, rejected off it, and sold all the way from this point to this point. This is 124 points. This is the lowest you can get on this strategy. I'm still going to show you more secrets. Let me just scale to the 2 hours. I think the 2 hours should be able to show us more candle. So here, okay, nice. I like this. This is making sense. So you see that immediately the next day the market came to this zone, 9 a.m. This is 9 a.m. Then immediately 11 a.m. This 9 a.m. here, and this is what around this point. This is 7 a.m. candle, and this is 9 a.m. candle here. It sold for how many points? This is 100 points. And with this, you should be able to at least take 50 points before this market retraces back. So the next day, we'll be waiting for this market to come to this area at when? 9 a.m. 9 a.m. or when? 11 a.m. New York time or 1 p.m. New York time. So during 9 a.m. we didn't get any nice rejection candle here. We just see market ranging inside our support. So the next day, 11 a.m. you see what I'm telling you? These times are secret times, secret trading times. Immediately 11 a.m. the market started buying above this our support, above our resistance. And you see, once you scale to the lower time frame, you see that this retested. And this strategy is just very simple. If you have a small account, you just don't need to stress yourself. Wait for it to come, then you use limits. This is 590, almost 600 points on Nasdaq. So the next one, you see that this high was marked out here. This high was created during New York session, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So during that the same day, the next day, the same time, we should be looking to either short this market if it's still trading below, or give us a nice rejection, we sell the market. So the next day we got the market came to this zone around 9 a.m. here, which is not our time yet, and it came here again during 11 a.m. Then during 1 p.m. here, this is 1 p.m., it rejected off, sold for many pips. You can see it's all these things are projected. It's just something that the banks, secret bank zones you don't know on US30. Risk minimum of at least 80 pips, 80 points. Then target towards 500 upwards, from 100 to 500 upwards. So that's the way it works. And take a look at the next day again. You didn't get another comeback to this point. This could have been a nice one. And this the same day. We had 11 a.m. at this point. This is 11 a.m. So you should have marked this one here. 11 a.m. is another time. 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. They are relevant time. They are times we need. So you want to mark the highs and lows of that particular time. Nice. So the next day we didn't get any comeback to this point. Then it came the next week, Monday, around 11. It rejected off, but all the way to the upside. It's just as simple as this. And this one here that came from this point, don't forget, it got a rejection 11 a.m. We got a rejection 9 a.m. and this should be your sales. The next day it sold for how many points? From this point you hold it through the Asian session. It was around 104 points before it came back to that entry again and gave us what, around 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. New York time. It started what, selling again, gave us what, almost 400 points. So guys, this strategy is a very simple and secret strategy. I don't really want to expose everything here because this thing is on my mentorship group. So if I expose it, a lot of them here are going to be angry with me and so on. So because they paid for it. So if you really want to learn more, just contact me using my number on the description of this video. And let's do one more example. Here is 9 a.m. right, 11 a.m. we didn't get a nice low here, so we should adjust this. Then the next day we got a comeback on this zone around, this is 9 a.m. Then the next day around 9 a.m. we should be entering a trade. 9 a.m., 11 a.m. or 3 p.m. You see we got a very nice trade from this point, catching how many points? I'm gonna show you that now. This is 497 points move. So it's secret. It's not everybody that has it, or it's not everybody that knows this. So this is secret. I don't want to expose everything here. Take a look at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. This high was formed when 5 a.m. then 7 a.m. Market came here when 9 a.m. 7 a.m. So let me just keep it like that. Subscribe and also like this video, and if you want to join my mentorship, contact me. And make sure that please, if you're applying for my mentorship, you should be a serious trader, someone that is looking to make money from the forex market from now to the next 6 months, and I will always be open. And take a look at this thing, keep repeating itself. Go to the chart and do it. This side is still continue repeating itself. The same thing. And look at this massive move. Just take a look. This was 5 a.m. New York time. Next time we came here, when was that? We came to this zone around, this is 5 a.m. New York time. Then 6 a.m. sold, dropped straight forward. The next day, what we have? We have what? This market come here around when? 5 a.m. Rejected off it, started buying to the upside. And even if you have to draw this further, you will see something here that will make you can see that the market is reacting to this point till now. You see the next day, see 5 a.m. it sold off. 5 a.m. here, this is 11 a.m. this is 3 a.m. then we didn't get that rejection. This was 11 a.m. strategy and 1 p.m. strategy, sold off. So guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel and also give it a thumbs up. I don't get likes. Thank you.